All aboard, crew members and passengers. It is D-Life here back with a new video, and today we are checking out our SWAPNEX.io account with a quick tutorial and account update and showing you how you can get started should you choose to become a swapper over here with the multifunctional arbitrage trading platform, which crew members and passengers we are liking so far. If you checked out yesterday's video, we did a quick review that will be up in the cards and also in the end screen, so make sure to check that out. I am really liking earning USDT here passively with SWAPNEX.io, building up that USD bag. That is the goal for SWAPNEX in the PDL engine room. But before we jump into the meat and potatoes of that juicy account, let's jump on over and man, today's video sponsor is none other than the Passive D-Life Express. By now, I'm sure everybody knows that they are giving out to the community and giving back to all the crew members and passengers soon once this vessel continues to get more projects and more good utility in its engine room. Then that will definitely be its purpose, as we are a vessel and we are sailing this DeFi ocean, and you guys are on board with me. Thank you so much for all of the crew members and passengers liking the videos, commenting on the videos, making sure subscribing, and always clicking that bell so you can get the future video notifications. And if that's what you like doing, making that passive income, consider becoming a subscriber. Next, let's come and follow the PDL Express on Twitter, today's other sponsor. We got two sponsors now, and hopefully we'll be having a third sponsor on board the PDL Express. But let's now jump into that SWAPNEX account. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video and you're checking out today's video, SWAPNEX is a arbitrage trading platform. It's pretty much selling one asset for buying one asset for one low price and then selling it for a high price. So buy low, sell high, and it can be done manually. As you looked in yesterday's video, we have one manual trade running, and that update is here right now, and it can also be done automatically. So let's check in our dashboard. Here's our order information. So first, our order is finished today around 5:38, and we've earned about, let's see if they give us our details on the exact percentage, but pretty much it looks like about 10 cents we earned. Yeah, that's right, because once we click that in yesterday's video, once we created that order, it pretty much tells you already what you're going to make. So a smooth, quick 10 cents just with one click of a button. Not bad, for $60. Not bad at all. I'll not complain. 10 cents a day, why stay away? You know how we go. So we had put in 60 USDT on the BEP20, then we choose that trade, and then now our trade is done. And today we are going to be looking at getting into our first automated trade. So I'll run over quickly how you're going to get your manual trade started should you choose manually. If you don't choose one of the plans, here's the manual plans, and they have tiers for you to be able to get into each plan. $200, $500, and $1,500, which is the max professional, and you get 4 trades per day, 3 trades per day, and 2 trades per day. Now, the caveat with these plans is that the higher you go, the more exchanges you have, hence the more opportunity you have to make greater gains on your trade. Of course, more the better. But we are using the free manual orders once per day. We'll continue that while we're also benefiting from the automated mood. So let's jump back into trading and let's get over to manual. So starting with manual, first thing you will want to do is go to your wallet. Once you've already registered your account, it's quick, smooth, and easy. Just an email and a password, and boom, you are in. Whatever asset that you may have in your wallet or on your exchange, you can come on over here, choose it, click add balance, put the amount that you want, choose top up, and then confirm, and then copy the address. Remember, get the right network and know the network that you're sending it on. For example, this is the TRC20 network, which is the Tron network, so USDT on the Tron side. And then copy that address, put it in your TronLink wallet, or put it on your centralized exchange, for example, and then send those funds over. Once those funds have been received, and it's quick and easy, depending on the network that you use. Tron is real quick. We use the BEP20. I want to say the funds were there like in about 10 minutes. Jump on over trading, and you would then choose that pair. So, for example, with the D Life yesterday, it was USDT BTC to USD. And here's Binance has it on 36,636. And here's Coinbase Pro with 36,036. So you would then go to that Binance for 3606 and then that Coinbase. And then you would just click create order. Or you can scroll through and look for a better opportunity. So let's say Bits Gap is 3278. Here's 3596, much lower price than where we were with Binance. And then we could come and sell over here with 3657. And look at this opportunity. Binance 3665. So that is almost like a $500 difference in the BTC price. So that's what makes arbitrage so fun, so much fun over here with the manual side for me. And that's why I'm going to continue to do manually and just looking at how Bitcoin is going. And you could also choose BNB. It doesn't even have to be, Bitcoin. It could be BNB, and it could be any other asset. You could jump on over and manually trade. Now, automated mood. Automated mood, you have the 30-day, 40-day, 60-day, and the 90-day, and all of the other 100 to 360 days. Now, I forgot to say yesterday, with the 120 to the 360 day, the interest rate that is projected is increased. So with the 30 to 90s, you're looking at 1.5 daily to 2% daily. And with the 120 to 360, you're looking at between 4 and 6% daily. I'm sure the information is, but we won't go through all that in the facts. You can just check that out in the meantime to get that. And that today we are going to do the 90-day, right? We're going to choose the 90-day. We're going to choose our asset, which is the USDT BTC. We're going to choose the amount, which is 50 USDT. And we are on the BEP20. As you can see, our balance right there, 60.319. And we're going to use 50. And then we're going to take off all of this, leave that for our manual trade. And we just want to do 50. And we're going to choose the 90-day. And we are on the automated auto trading. Now, for you to for you to select the auto trading, you have to remember to activate your two-factor authentication. That is where I went wrong yesterday. I wanted to do the auto trade, the auto mode yesterday, but I didn't activate the two-factor. So remember to activate your two-factor before you do anything. And here is the exchange fees showing you exactly the process and all of the fees. It's an 8-step process. Boom, that's the end there. The last fee is commissions for using the platform. They charge a 5% fee. And so that is how SWAPNEX makes their funds. So hopefully there's no need for them to disappear because they are earning while we are earning. So let's go ahead and we make sure we got this 90-day selected. We're using 50 USDT. We are using our BEP20 balance, and we're going USDT, BTC to USDT, and we should be good to go. Let's create. All right, operation was completed successfully. Now with the 90-day, we will be getting 4 orders per day. Let's go and check it out. That's right, we got the 90-day, and here's our amount that we are using, 50 USDT, and USDT to BTC to USD. The order date, the finish date, which will be August the 3rd, and then we will be able to have our $50 back, and we can show more details there, the status of the auto trading. So our orders have not started as yet, but we will definitely be coming back as the orders do come in and giving an update on our progress. And I will definitely be documenting this and probably even putting this in a spreadsheet and showing how our profits are every day. Now, the goal and my strategy, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only the PDL Express skipper. Make sure DYOR and only put what you can afford to lose in any project is to roll that 50 over as much as I can and grow that and keep growing that as time goes by, and done all passively. So that's my strategy. Not a crazy amount, but something is better than nothing. And once you get started, and small could really turn into more as time goes by. So just a small amount could really grow. And that's what D-Life is all about over here. Yeah, sure, we want to get to those big bags, but if we can start small, then that's where we have to start until we can get to those big bags. So you got your automated mood. Stay tuned for episode 3. This is episode 2. And weekly updates, manual trade updates, any news, anything that is coming out. Make sure you could even check them out on Twitter. They are also out on Twitter. If we just go to follow. And yep, SWAPNEX, they're on Twitter. We are giving them a follow. They have 11.8K followers. Today starts Ethereum Trading Week. Awesome. They have Ethereum Trading Week. We cancel platform commissions, so all the ET, USDT, ETH, and USD orders for the next 7 days, you'll be able to trade with 0% platform fee. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That's 5% that you save on your earnings. This offer is valid from today until May the 13th. So if you are Ethereum fan, I am definitely Ethereum fan, but I don't have any. Make sure I take advantage of this. I am definitely liking this and retweeting this. This is awesome. That we're gonna retweet that. Yeah, for all the Ethereum fans out there. So this is SWAPNEX on the Passive D-Life Express. This is D-Life your skipper. Always remember to stay safe, and I am over and out.